Hey, it's Ron from the Trading Coach International. You're here because you've made the choice to become a profitable trader. Not a dabbler, not a follower. A real trader. Someone who wants to earn a real income and build something that lasts. You've seen the hype from so many gurus and social media, but you're not interested in hype. You're here for results. The truth is there's a massive gap between hobby traders and pro traders. It's the same as the gap between a weekend golfer and someone training for the tour. Both swing a club, but only one gets paid. I started trading more than 20 years ago without any natural talent. Like most new traders, it took me a couple of years to learn how to read the market. That was step one. It was tough, frustrating, and there were many times I almost gave up. Then I really hit rock bottom. There was only about $20 in my trading account, and I had to choose whether or not to add more funds or to just give up. I sat down with a pen and 2 pieces of paper. What if I don't do this? What would life look like? And what if I did? If I put in the work, took the risk, and committed? The answer was obvious. I didn't just want this, I needed it. So I looked for the missing pieces. What made any successful business owner, sporting legend, investor achieve their results? And how could I apply that to trading? The next steps: building a focused success plan, measuring and improving my results, developing a bulletproof trading mindset and consistent results, took a lot more work and a few more years. At the time, without realizing it, I'd come up with a pathway that almost anyone could use to find their way, with proper support and guidance. Live Pro is for the trader that's ready to close that gap. It's our 12-month intensive coaching program designed to help you build a consistent income and fast-track your qualification for pro trader leverage. This is the edge that the gurus never talk about, because they already have it and they know how hard it is for most traders to earn it. Pro trader leverage gives you up to 16 times better return on investment without needing to do any extra work. But to unlock it, you need more than just a few videos or a Discord group. You need a coach, a real one, someone who tracks your progress, helps you fine-tune your entries, your exits, your mindset. 2 focused one-on-one coaching sessions every month for 12 months. Not theory, not guesswork, real data-driven support tailored to suit you. Most traders stay stuck because they keep treating this like a hobby. But this is your shot to treat it like a profession and earn real income. You'll get everything in the Live Pro toolbox: our proven trading strategy, the Live method, risk management, mindset systems, and all our education resources. The biggest difference? You've got me as your coach there with you every step of the way, supporting you and keeping you on track. If you're serious about earning an income from trading and you're ready to qualify for pro trader leverage and finally trade with the tools that the top 5% use, then Live Pro isn't just a program, it's your advantage. Let us help you leverage it.